In a distant dystopian future, where a bleak and oppressive regime had seized control, a young rebel named Maya stumbled upon an extraordinary secret. Deep within the ruins of an ancient sanctuary, she discovered an artifact unlike anything she had ever seen before, a small, ornate amulet pulsating with an otherworldly energy. Little did she know that this artifact held the power to restore gratitude to the hearts of society, offering a glimmer of hope in a world filled with despair. Moved by the amulet's ethereal glow, Maya felt an inexplicable connection to it. As she held it in her hands, a rush of warmth spread through her body, filling her with an overwhelming sense of gratitude. She knew that this artifact was a precious gift, one that needed to be protected and shared. Word of Maya's discovery quickly reached the ears of others who, like her, yearned for change. Determined to restore gratitude and hope to their desolate world, they banded together, forming a small but passionate group of rebels. Each member brought unique skills and perspectives, united by their shared belief in the transformative power of gratitude. Guided by Maya's unwavering spirit, the group set out on a perilous journey to evade the watchful eyes of the oppressive regime. Their mission was twofold: to safeguard the amulet and to seek out like-minded individuals who could help harness its power. With each step, they encountered both allies and adversaries, testing their courage and resolve. The rebels faced countless challenges along their path: treacherous landscapes, advanced surveillance systems, and the constant threat of betrayal. But fueled by their shared purpose, they pressed on, drawing strength from the stories they collected along the way. These stories, brimming with genuine expressions of gratitude, became the fuel that powered the amulet's magic. As the group grew, so did the spark of gratitude they ignited within society. Ordinary citizens, wearied by the weight of oppression, began to open their hearts to the power of appreciation once more. They realized that even in the darkest of times, gratitude had the ability to uplift spirits, forge connections, and inspire acts of kindness. In the face of mounting resistance from the regime, the rebels' determination only intensified. They discovered hidden enclaves of resistance, where people had been quietly nurturing gratitude in secret. The rebels joined forces with these resilient individuals, exchanging tales of thankfulness and kindling a collective flame of hope that burned brighter with each passing day. The oppressive regime, threatened by this burgeoning movement, launched a relentless pursuit of the rebels. Yet the regime underestimated the strength of gratitude and the unity it bred. The rebels, armed not with weapons but with stories and gratitude, defied all odds, outwitting their pursuers at every turn. Finally, the day of reckoning arrived, a decisive confrontation between the rebels and the regime. In a climactic battle, the amulet's power surged forth, enveloping the rebels and their adversaries in a breathtaking display of radiant light. It was a moment that illuminated the hearts of everyone present, awakening within them the long-forgotten emotion of gratitude. As the light subsided, the oppressive regime crumbled, its foundation of fear and control shattered by the transformative power of gratitude. In its wake, a new society emerged, one built upon appreciation, compassion, and shared gratitude. Maya, the grateful guardian, became a symbol of resilience and hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, gratitude could be a guiding light. Her journey and the artifact's magic were immortalized in legends passed down from generation to generation, serving as a reminder to always cherish the simple joys and express gratitude for the gifts that life bestowed. And so, in this new world, gratitude became a way of life, a way to heal wounds, bridge divides, and create a harmonious society. The people understood that gratitude was not merely an emotion, but a force that could shape their destinies. Gratitude was not confined to grand gestures or momentous occasions. It was found in the simplest of moments, a shared smile, a helping hand, or a kind word. It became the language through which people connected, bridging divides and fostering understanding. Remember, in even the darkest of times, gratitude has the power to illuminate our path and bring us closer to a brighter future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in our next video.